This time I'm gonna talk about the importance of using the 15-minute chart for trading, day trading, SPY and SPX, and how you can use it. As you see here on June 20th, the market opens where the price is actually out of the Bollinger Band, the upper line of the Bollinger Band of 15-minute charts. And as you see, it goes a little higher for 15 minutes, which is common for the first 15 minutes of the market for a SPY and SPX, and then all of a sudden it goes down. So when the market opens above the higher Bollinger Band line or below the lower Bollinger Band line, if there is no specific news in the market, there is a very high opportunity for the price to come back. So as you see, the price actually went a little higher, but then after 15 minutes it started to come down to below the upper line of the Bollinger Band. So for the higher time frames like 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, Bollinger Band lines are so important because it gives you an opportunity to understand the direction of the market, and the market always follow the basic rules of the market, and it follows it always goes down and into the Bollinger Band lines, even if something happens in the market. In most cases it doesn't stay outside the Bollinger Band lines. It has to, because there is a imbalance in the market when it's outside of the Bollinger Bands. So as soon as it is outside these lines, it has to try to come back below the line. If it's above the upper line, it goes below it. If it's below the lower line, it comes above it. It always happens all the time. There are cases that due to the news or specific things happening in the market, the price goes above that Bollinger Band line. But there are rules for that. So you have to understand the way that Bollinger Band works and how you can use it in your favor. So as you see, the price in this case on Monday, July 17th, started to go up. But as you see, the market makers basically try to control the price. Although they wanted to increase the price, they try to be in or around the Bollinger Band line. They don't want to go above or basically to cut through the Bollinger Band line, to go outside of it and continue to go higher. It only happens when there is a huge news in the market, something huge is happening right now somewhere around the globe, and it changes the price and drastically. Rather than that, it doesn't happen. As you see on Monday 17th, and the price goes a little above the Bollinger Band line, but after that for half an hour it started to basically go sideways, just because it is actually giving time to the Bollinger Band line to go even higher. And then the next candle, as you see, is still in the below area of the Bollinger Band line. Next candle from 9:15 to 9:30 is basically going outside, but just after that you see another red candle. As you see, the market makers, although they wanted to increase the price, they're still controlling the price in a way that is not going beyond the Bollinger Band lines, not going beyond the balance lines. So it is trying to control the price in a way that it is in balance, and if as soon as it happens, as soon as it goes beyond the balance area, it comes back. So it's a kind of like a magnet in a way that it works. Every time that it goes basically through the BB line, you see it comes back. It can't cut it through. As soon as it happens, it comes back. So keep that in mind. Every time that during the day trading you see that a candle goes through the Bollinger Band, make sure that you have your stop loss. And if you are buying call options, make sure that you have a stop loss and the risk and rewards for you, and you come out of the trade as soon as it comes back. and you're not going to the red zone. So make sure that you understand these type of factors and use them in your favor, and don't let it bite you and take your money. So because these are very basic things and it always happens, it always follow the rules, as there are so many fake outs in the market, but it doesn't mean that it always happens. And even for the fake outs, you need to be a little patient. I myself was one of those people who weren't patient, and I paid the price for that. So make sure that you just wait for a good opportunity and not jumping into the trade without any plan and without the risk and reward calculations. I hope it works. Don't forget to follow this channel, and don't forget to leave any comments for me, and like the video, which really helps the channel to grow. Thank you so much. Bye.